Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Mythful Diamond Art. My name is Aneta and today I'm going to talk to you about some things I learned working for 30 days on a huge Josephine Wall diamond painting. If you may saw in my posts and other videos that I started doing a 30-day challenge, 100-day challenge. Oh my god, 30 days, no way. A 100-day challenge to finish this humongous Josephine Wall kit, the Lilac Dreams, which is 140 by 110. I am on the day 30 and it's not easy. Guys, it is not easy. And I will talk to you more about that. I will try to show you what I have done so far. I will try to unroll it. This is the halfway mark. I started working on the bottom right corner until the middle. I have it sideways, of course, because there is no way. So this is 55 centimeters, the halfway of it. Let me zoom out just a little bit. Come on, you don't want to zoom out. Yeah, it's one of these days. Anyway, it's 55 centimeters, this one, and it is the bottom half of the painting. I am 2.5 rows after having done the lower half part, so 1.5 or 2.5 rows over the 1/4 mark. I have a lot more to go. I have it rolled here, I have it rolled here, there, I have it rolled everywhere. And I'm feeling a little burnt out. That is why I decided to put it aside after the 30 days for a few days. It's not that I don't love working on it, I really enjoy it, but doing 1 or 2 sections a day, or even 3, on a huge project like that is like doing nothing. You don't see the progress. It is so big, you don't see the progress, so you don't get that kick you get from working on a diamond painting. I'm finished, so I finished a section or I finished a row. You don't really get that much of a kick, and it's something that I need. Yesterday, you see, I started working on this area and then I put it aside. It was a hard day, I was very tired, I'm still very tired, but I need to put this baby aside for a while and work on something else to give me that boost I need and come back to it. So I am pausing the 100-day challenge. I just want to show you, I will unroll it slowly to show you how beautiful it is with the tone of specials. We have a lot of ABs here, down here. We have this knight over here that has on his arms a woman. We have 3 people standing on a campfire on this part. Sorry for the crinkling, but I have to leave the part of the plastic on so it gets protected. And then we move here. And we have, these are the legs of a couple that is coming out of the sea. We will see it when we get on the top of it. then we have this couple that is on horseback. It's beautiful, and I love the horse, how it turned out. And then this is the end of it. So so far I have done a section that a part of the diamond painting that is equal to a large diamond painting, and I'm still having a long way to go, but things needs to be enjoyable, and if you feel the need to put something aside, you should put things aside. So what I'm going to do for the next few days, I'm going to work on a different kit, one of my other kits. I have a couple that are very close to finish, and I really want to have a finish to feel this accomplishment of finishing something, because as I said, finishing a small section, finishing a section or 2 or 3 on a canvas at that side doesn't feel the same. And now see a drill missing here, I have to fix it. It doesn't feel the same. So I'm going to put this aside, and I want you to let me know in the comments if you think that this is failing my 100-day challenge, or if I'm allowed to hit a pause for a few days and then resume the challenge from the day I will start again and on. Anyway, this will be a short video, but help me with that. Please let me know in the comments what do you think, if I should keep on working on the challenge after I feel like I'm ready to get back to this kit, or just admit defeat. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Bye!